Hello, my name is Bojan Simonovic. I'm from Serbia. Sorry for my bad English. I'm the owner of a One Up For You store. It's a general dropshipping store. I was starting this business a few months ago to test different great products, to build websites, product pages, and everything, and to try it. And I know about PageFly. I see that ordinary people like me that haven't got any coding developer knowledge of everything, and they make great product pages and everything. And I wanted to try, and I wanted to see every option when I build site and product pages to make. When I saw the people of great product pages are using. So in PageFly is everything very good, because I have little knowledge about everything, but the customer support is great. They help you in minutes. They make you videos if you don't know something, and they help quick and do all things for you. And even if you aren't a paid customer, and I was astonishing about that, because you can do one product page for free, and every support, everything you get, and also in Facebook groups, and there are some things when you post something, you get something for free. So I got in success department to review my store, what's wrong, what can I do better, and it's great. The cookie helped me a lot. She gave me opinion about everything and helped me to sort some things that was not good. So I was very glad about that and everything. And you can easily make astonishing product pages that convert. You have webinars and everything in the meantime about PageFly to learn. So I would recommend everyone to try.